Welcome back to JIC's Hints and Tips. I'm Teacher Kate and I'm teaching IELTS speaking. Alright, for today we'll be focusing on part 1. How long should I answer and how to answer? For this part, you'll be spending a maximum of 5 minutes, and for each question you have to speak at least 30 seconds. How to answer the question? You have to follow the REDs, what we call REDs. R stands for reason, and E for example, D for detail, and S for speculation. I recommend that you use the REDs, however, you can use a combination of it, alright? Not exactly use the pattern REDS. Now, for example, the question is, where is your hometown? I'll be saying, my hometown's Baguio City, which is the summer capital of the Philippines. It is located in the north. This city is famous for its native product like strawberry jam, ube, and peanut butter. In my answer, I gave the direct answer, which is my hometown, Baguio City. And to extend this answer, I gave an example, such as the products that we have in the city. And further details is about the location. That's it for today. I'm Teacher Kate, and see you again next time.